First we open latches. And move also the back end. Careful, this is heavy. We then first prepare the input and output station positions by flipping them out, using the stands for keeping it horizontal. The next steps are actually connecting power and Wi-Fi and internet. The first internet, which is optional, and we also have definitely power. We then start turning on all the EV3s by pressing the middle button. We do this on both sides. We turn on the turntables. And on the back here we pull out this little button and you hear the fan of the Raspberry Pi connecting. Now we also use this for getting out the pellets. Then we have to wait until the EV3s have booted up. One important aspect is also removing the safety transport pins. These pins are located on the side and keep the printhead from falling off during transport. You'll see there are on each machine two the outer sides of each printhead. These need to be removed before production can start. Here we can start the MES. The MES will wait, will check until all the machines are booted up. In the meantime, we can also prepare the laptop, which allows us to send, process and order requests to the booting. Takes a few minutes. Then we simply select the file system, the Forte, and it will start blinking, and that means it's booting, and we can already flip this in. You see the light sensor has now switched. If the turntables don't boot up by themselves, we can also start them from the laptop. On the MES we can have a look which systems were found already. And here we see we have already a set of plotters that are currently booting up, and the input and output stations. The turntables need a little bit more time for booting up. These will be available shortly. The turntables are the last ones to connect, as they need to establish connections with each of the surrounding machines. The MES checks each machine around once a minute whether it's available. Now we see turntable 1 has been discovered and is available to function. Turntable 2 should show up in any minute. The turntables are now booted up. We just need to wait for the MES to detect the second turntable, and then the whole shop floor is operational, meaning we can send orders to it.